Good afternoon, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, fellow Mason. Fellow Freemason, I can hear you.
What is your name?
I'm Inky. I'm on the way to the lodge in Salida.
What is your legal name?
Christopher. I'm a follower of God, leader of men. I'm Inky. I am the light. I'm on my way to the lodge in Salida. I'm a fellow Freemason.
All right, Christopher Roberts. Is that your full legal name?
I'm Inky. I do not wish to contract.
I will call you Inky if you wish, but I want to confirm it's you, Christopher Roberts.
You are a Mason, correct?
I'm a judicial officer, Mr. Roberts.
You are a Mason. You are a part of the Freemasonic order.
All right.
I'm Inky. I am the light. I'm a fellow Mason.
Mr. Roberts appears virtually in custody. Inky, one of the rights you have in your case is to be represented by a lawyer. Would you like a lawyer to represent you at this hearing?
I do not need a lawyer. I did not agree to contract. I was doing nothing wrong. I would like this solved today. I literally parked my vehicle. I took a walk over to the gas station to take a dump. I came back.
Okay, Mr.
There was an officer. You work for me. You will listen, please.
No, I'm muting your microphone. I'm trying to mute it. Thank you. And the reason I'm doing that is because you have a right to remain silent. Anything that you say can and will be used against you. I'm going to advise you of the other rights that you have in your case. You have you are presumed innocent. The burden is on the prosecutor to prove any charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt. In this case, you've been charged with a Class 2 misdemeanor, resisting arrest. Any guilty plea you make in this case must be voluntary, meaning that you were not coerced or unduly influenced to plead guilty. A conviction may adversely affect your immigration status. If you are a veteran, you may be entitled to other resources, and you can contact the Veterans Services Office to be connected with the Veterans Court. Mr. Ibsen appears virtually for the people. Argument for bond?
Judge, people don't have a problem with the PR bond in this case. He does have a warrant out for him in another jurisdiction. Don't know what that's going to do to him, but.
All right, thank you. The court finds probable cause for the charge of resisting arrest in the affidavit. The court will order a $50 personal recognizance bond. Are the people requesting any other conditions, Mr. Ibsen?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, Inky, I have unmuted your microphone. What I have ordered is that you will be not held in this case by any monetary amount. However, you do have a warrant in El Paso County, which is Colorado Springs, which may be holding you. Once that case is resolved, this resisting arrest will not prevent you from being released from custody. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Your next court date will be Tuesday. Mr. Ibsen, what time are the in-custodies normally held?
Judge, it's pretty variable. They can be either at 11 o'clock if it's a public defender client or 1:30 if it's a private client.
All right, we'll do this at 11 o'clock. Mr.
Sovereign, I'm Inky. I am not the name you gave that the Social Security Administration gave me. Okay? I am awake. I'm a free living man. I am not a citizen. Okay? I am a sovereign. I'm a fellow Mason. Do you understand me?
I understand that you are a sovereign.
You have a nice day.
I have set your bond at $50 personal recognizance, and your next court date will be Tuesday.
I don't have any money, Your Honor. I am destitute.
I'm not requiring any money for you to be released on this case. A personal recognizance means that you can sign out of the jail on this case. However, there is a warrant from El Paso County, and you won't be released until that is resolved.
Mr. Trammell, come on up. '21. 26 CR 921 Trammell appearances.
Anthony Santos for the people.
And let the record reflect that we have Mr. Trammell here. We're set for arraignment today. Mr. Trammell, how would you like to move forward?
First of all, Your Honor, is this a court of record? Can I get a stenographic report of this
No,
proceeding?
we don't do stenographic recording. There's an FTR machine. It is being recorded. If you want a transcript after this hearing, you can request it.
Yeah.
How do you want to move forward? Do you want to enter a plea of not guilty so that we can get this case moving? Or do you want to reach a disposition and enter a plea of guilty? How would you like to move forward?
Can you repeat that, please?
We're set for arraignment today.
Yes.
At arraignment, you can either plead guilty or not guilty
Guilty or not guilty to what?
to the charges.
Which are?
You are charged in this case with possession of a dangerous weapon and large capacity magazine prohibited. And let me make sure that I give you the state statutory cites. Possession of a dangerous weapon pursuant to 1812-102 subsection 3. Large capacity magazine prohibited during crime, 1812-302 subsection 1, subsection 1 AC. Now, what is your plea? Guilty or not guilty?
I'm gonna just plead guilty or not guilty. I have a question. I do have a right to know the cause and the nature of this
You can do
particular
that.
offense.
You're not going to do that today in court. You can seek discovery. You can communicate with the district attorney's office and you can ask for discovery. How are you moving forward today? Guilty or not guilty? That's what we're doing today. You're set for arraignment. I told you last time we were here, you wanted to, if you wanted to
understand that.
apply for an attorney, you didn't
understand
want one?
However, under the Sixth Amendment, I do have a right to know. It affords and guarantees me the right to know the cause and nature of this particular action.
Sir,
Ma'am.
you're
And it
set
is
for
your duty
arraignment.
to tell me what the cause and nature of the action is.
You're set for
Is
arraignment.
this a criminal or civil offense?
This is a criminal offense,
Okay, so
sir.
under the Constitution, there's two jurisdictions. One is under the common law and the other one is a condition of contract. On the colorable elements of a.
I
admiralty
know
jurisdiction.
whether or not you're getting
Which two
your.
of these jurisdictions will you
Let me
hear
tell
this
you what
case
you're
on?
not going to do today, Mr. Trammell. You are not going to interrupt me when I'm speaking. Do you understand me?
I'm not interrupting you.
Okay. Now, you are here for arraignment. And I'm
Totally
going to ask
understand
you
that, but you're not answering my questions. I can't adequately answer the question until
here
you
for
answer
two
mine.
criminal charges. Okay?
Okay, so is this common law or are we under the tolerable jurisdiction?
These are statutory, this is
Okay, but you're not
statutory.
answering my
This is not
question.
common law.
You're not answering my question. And I'm not interrupting you. I'm not being loud. I'm asking you a simple question. It's my right to know. And you're not
Sir?
telling me.
Sir, you are here pursuant to statutes. Okay?
You did not answer my question.
Okay. Sir, common law. Now,
Common law?
do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Okay, so
sir?
we're under the common law. Where is the injured party? Under the
Sir?
common law.
Sir, the people are the injured party in this case. How do you plead guilty or
We'll put
not
the
guilty?
people on the bench then.
You're going to enter a plea of not guilty today.
So
We're
now
going to
you're
set you for
practicing law
trial.
from the bench, aiding the prosecution?
Where's the paperwork? Not
Let the record
guilty plea
reflect that
enters
Your Honor
today.
is practicing law from the
Trial
bench and
runs
aiding
on
the prosecution.
December 5th, 2026. Motions are due on July 6th, 2026. Your disposition date is scheduled for July 27th at 8:30.
You said July 6th?
July 6th, your motions are due.
And what was the other date?
And July 27th, you're set for disposition. If testimonial motions are filed,
27th?
the 27th of July. If you file testimonial motions, I'll set a motions hearing then. Thank you. Your speedy trial again is actually December 4th. We'll see you on July 27th. Thank you. Bond continues.